Hey guys, so today I just want to make a short video explaining how you can create a logo for your Shopify dropshipping business for free, as well as a cover photo for your Facebook page, and also how to create a Facebook page. Um, so first, I'm just on Facebook here. You'll just go on your personal profile right here, and you'll just select brand or product. You'll go down, you'll select website at the very bottom, and then you'll just put in the name. So we'll just make up a name for this case. We'll just put Dogs Are Us, for example. Um, we'll see if that hasn't been taken. Okay, so here it'll ask you to upload a profile picture. So this is where we're going to create a logo for our business, and then we will also create uh, a cover photo. So we're going to do those two things right now, but we're just going to skip for now. So right here the logo is going to go, and then it'll ask you to invite your friends. Hang on just a sec. But yeah, so it's going to ask you to invite your friends, but so the logo is going to end up going right here, and the cover photo is going to go right here. So the logo is, I believe it's 161 pixels by 161 pixels, and I think the cover photo here is 315 pixels by 851, if I'm not mistaken, but you guys really don't need to know that. But basically, just go over to Google and type in "make a logo for free." You can go on sites like you can go on sites like Fiverr and other websites that offer freelance work, and you can pay people money. But you can just do it for free on Canva, which is also where I just make thumbnails for YouTube videos. So if you go here on Canva.com, it'll actually help you design a custom logo. It's pretty simple, and it's completely free. So right here on the left, it'll give you options, kind of what you're looking for. So our made-up company is called Dogs Are Us. So we can go down through here and see something that kind of fits us so that we can then type that in. So say for example, we want to use this right here. We click here, you click on the text, and delete it first. Type in Dogs Are Us. Now that doesn't look super great, but you guys can go through and you can choose whatever you want to use. For example, whatever you think would look good in this case. I just chose this style just for the example. Then you'll go on download. I always do JPEG just because it's a smaller file. And then it'll download. And I'll save that to my desktop. Okay, so now it's saved right here. So now I'm going to go back to Facebook. I'm going to add a picture. So right here I'll upload a photo, and I'll choose Dogs Are Us. And then it should have me adjust it. Here we go. So now I position that to how I want it to look, and I save that. So now that's my logo, and now I can go and also use that same picture and post that on my Shopify website. If my website is Dogs Are Us, say for example I sell dog toys, then I can go post that up on the main menu, up on the header in the top left area of my Shopify store for Dogs R Us. I could go and place that as my logo. Now to add a cover, we'll do the same exact thing. I'll just go Google, make a Facebook cover. And I'll do it actually on the same website. So on canva.com, if you just Google that to make a Facebook cover, and it'll just give you examples right here, the same idea. So you can just go through and you can just see whatever would fit your website. So say we want to use this. Let me go right here. You just delete whatever text you don't want to use. I'll select this. I'll delete all the text, and then I'll type in whatever I want to say. So usually on a cover photo though, you kind of want to place your ads and kind of deals you have going on. So usually you can post a product. Say you can upload a picture. So you click on uploads right here, and you'd upload a picture from your Shopify store. So say you sell a dog toy. So you'd go into your Shopify store, you'd then upload that picture right here where it says uploads. You click on that and you'd upload the picture you want to paste right here, and you just paste on top of this picture. And then you can just put whatever slogan you want to put. You can put great dog toys for great price. For a great price. Just simple like that. And then we're going to do the same thing right here. Save it as a JPEG. Once that loads, I'll open it and save it to my desktop. Uh-oh. That didn't save how I wanted it to. That still has the same text it had before. Okay, so we'll try clicking off. So we'll try downloading that again. So now this will save, and I'll open it and then save it to my desktop so then I can upload it as my cover photo onto my Facebook page that I just created. There we go. So yeah, this time it did work. I just had to click out of what I had selected. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to save it to desktop, and then I'm just going to upload it just like I did with the last one to the Facebook page as the cover photo. Just click add this, upload photo, and I just choose the exact thing I had. So there we go. Now if you guys want, it'll also give you an option. You can have a slideshow, so you can choose a few different pictures like this. So maybe you guys have a sale going on, you can save that and then you can switch the slideshow, you can switch that to appear. So say maybe for Valentine's Day, you guys have certain items you have for sale that you'd like to place here. So you'll just go to change cover and you can click create slideshow, and then you can add more pictures right here or more cover photos that you'd like to add. So that's pretty simple. You do it that way. Cancel that. Leave slideshow. So that's just the easy way to create your guys' logo for free. Also a cover photo for your Facebook page, and that's just the beginning of starting your Facebook page. Another good thing you guys should do is you should be posting on your Facebook page about 2 to 3 times a day. Now in the beginning I know it's kind of hard to think of content to post, but the idea is you're going to want to end up getting to be able to post pictures or captions of customers, specifically pictures of customers using your items. That just helps create a sense of a community and also gives social proof for your items as well as your store. But at the beginning, what you guys can do, it's kind of hard to, if you haven't had any sales, what you guys can do is you can go to Pinterest and just look for things that have to do with your business. So if it's about dogs, you guys can just go to Pinterest, you can type in dogs, and then just put pictures of dogs, or put pictures of dogs playing with toys. And then give credit to the person who took the picture so you don't end up getting in trouble or have people complaining about you. But in the beginning, before you start getting sales, just post pictures of dogs, dogs playing with toys, things that kind of relate to your niche so that people start to see that you're an actual business and they don't get worried about you guys that you're some scammer or whatever. So that's just a few tips from me and things that I've learned here recently on how you guys can create your own logo as well as a Facebook cover and how you can start having success creating a Facebook page. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much.